Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about application of integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the volume of this one and s equal to from b over 2 to negative b over 2 rotated around s-axis or y-axis. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to graph about cosine x from negative b over 2 and positive b over 2. So that should be like this. So when s equal to number 0, this one that is about number 1. This one you got number 0. When s equal to negative b over 2 and positive b over 2 in here. So for the first one, that is about x-axis. That is about this one. So the region in here, they will rotate around s-axis. So the formula of the volume, that is about b, and we have the integration from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. So we have the function in here, cosine x. This one with the power number 2 minus number 0 square, because this one that is about y equals to number 0. This one that is about y equals to cosine x. So this one that is about the upper function to the power of 2 minus the lower function. So we simplified and we got like this. So we have the formula in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we got like this. So that is about cosine 2x plus 1 over number 2. So I will put number 2 go outside. And that is about cosine 2x plus 1 dx. The integration of cosine 2x, that is about 1 over 2 sine 2x. Number 1, that is about x. And we put the power from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. So I will put this one go in here, this one go in here. So we simplify this one and we have b. So this one that is about b squared over number 2. And that is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, that is about y-axis. Y-axis, that is about this one. So they will go in this one here. Because from 0 to negative b over 2 and 0 to b over 2, they will overlap this area in here. So in this situation, I will find the volume from 0 to b over 2. This one, that is about shell method. And now I will put about s and the function that is about cosine s ds. So in this one, we can use about interpolation bypass. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we got like this. dv, that is about cosine s ds. The integration of this one, that is about sine s. So in this situation, we have u multiplied by v, and that is about s sine s. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So because we still have 2b in here, so we put 2b cone here. And now we have the integration from 0 to b over 2. That is about sine s. So the integration of negative sine s, that is about positive cosine s. So I will put b over 2 cone here, number 0 cone here. So this one we have b over 2. So I will put b over 2 cone here and number 0 cone here, and we got negative number 1. So we simplified. This is the end. Thank you for watching.